How do you change the vibration pattern for your ringtone? No matter what ringtone you have, you can change the vibration that's paired with it. So if you go to Settings and go down to Sounds or Sounds and Haptics, and let's say we wanted to change the vibration with our ringtone. So select Ringtone, and at the top you see the vibration set to default. Here are all your different vibrations that you can choose from. You have heartbeat, quick, and all of these other ones, SOS. Symphony, do 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 do. So I'm probably going to go with heartbeat. So no matter what your ringtone is set to, you can always change the vibration paired with it here. You can even create a custom vibration, and there's a video on that. For more iPhone support, you can try a private iPhone lesson over Skype or FaceTime, or you can try an online iPhone course. Both of these are at smartphonelearningzone.com. Thanks.